Welcome to our channel. Today we're going to talk about the truth about financial independence. Retire early. This movement has gained popularity in recent years, and many people are striving to achieve financial freedom and retire early. But is it a viable option for everyone? Let's find out together. Stay tuned. First, it's important to understand the basic principles of financial independence. Retire early. The goal is to save and invest a significant portion of your income, with the ultimate goal of having enough passive income to cover your living expenses. This allows you to retire from traditional employment and live off of your investments. The Financial Independence Retire Early community encourages individuals to save and invest aggressively, often aiming for a savings rate of 50% or more. One of the key components of financial independence retire early is the idea of lean living, which means living a frugal lifestyle and cutting back on unnecessary expenses. This can include things like downsizing to a smaller home, reducing transportation costs by biking or walking instead of driving, and cutting back on expensive hobbies or vacations. By living lean, individuals can save more money and reach financial independence faster. The Financial Independence Retire Early community also emphasizes the importance of investing in low-cost index funds and diversifying your portfolio. This allows individuals to earn a steady return on their investments without the need for constant monitoring or active management. The strategy is to keep the expenses low and invest the remaining in low-cost index funds to maximize the returns. While the principles of financial independence retire early may seem simple, it's important to note that achieving financial independence and retiring early is not easy. It requires a significant amount of discipline, sacrifice, and hard work. It also requires a certain level of risk tolerance, as investing in the stock market comes with the potential for loss. This can be achieved by creating a budget, sticking to it, and having a long-term investment plan. It also helps to have a clear understanding of your income, expenses, and savings. Additionally, financial independence retire early may not be a viable option for everyone. It requires a certain level of income and a high savings rate, which may not be possible for those who are struggling to make ends meet. Additionally, financial independence retire early may not be the best choice for people who have significant debts, such as student loans or credit card debt. Paying off these debts should be a priority before attempting to save and invest for retirement. It's also important to note that financial independence retire early is not a one-size-fits-all solution. Everyone's circumstances and goals are different, and what works for one person may not work for another. It's important to consider your own unique situation and goals before deciding if financial independence retire early is the right choice for you. One of the key benefits of financial independence retire early is the ability to retire early and have more time to pursue other interests and passions. For some people, this may mean traveling, starting a business, or volunteering. However, it's important to remember that retiring early does not mean retiring from life. Instead, it means having the freedom and flexibility to choose how you want to spend your time. One of the best ways to achieve financial independence retire early is to start early. The earlier you start saving and investing, the more time your money has to grow. This is due to the power of compound interest, which states that the earlier you start saving and investing, the more interest you earn on your interest. Another important aspect of financial independence retire early is to increase your income. This can be done by earning a higher salary, starting a side hustle, or investing in rental properties. The more money you make, the more you can save and invest, which helps you reach financial independence faster. It can be a viable option for those who are able to save a significant portion of their income and invest in a diversified portfolio. However, it's important to consider your own unique circumstances and goals before deciding if financial independence retire early is the right choice for you. One of the benefits of financial independence retire early is having more control over your time and being able to make choices about how you want to spend it. It's about having the freedom to pursue your passions and interests, whether that's traveling, starting a business, or volunteering. It's also about having the freedom to make choices about your work, whether that means continuing to work in a traditional job, starting your own business, or taking a sabbatical. Another benefit of financial independence retire early is the ability to live a life that aligns with your values and priorities. This could mean living a more eco-friendly lifestyle, being able to spend more time with family and friends, or being able to give back to your community. It's about being able to live a life that is true to who you are, rather than being constrained by the need to work a traditional job in order to make ends meet. It's important to remember that financial independence, retire early, is not just about retiring early. It's about achieving financial independence. This means having enough passive income to cover your living expenses and not having to rely on traditional employment to make ends meet. It's about having the freedom and flexibility to make choices about how you want to live your life and not being constrained by financial insecurity. However, achieving financial independence, retire early, is not easy and requires a lot of discipline, sacrifice, and hard work. It requires a significant amount of savings at a high savings rate, and it requires a certain level of risk tolerance, as investing in the stock market comes with the potential for loss. It also requires a long-term investment plan and a clear understanding of your income, expenses, and savings. Thanks for watching our video on financial independence, retire early. We hope you found it informative and helpful. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more financial advice and tips. Until next time, take care.